Welcome, this is the last episode of this video series. If you want to see how I made these personalized matching humbuckers, this custom-made electronics cover, and much more, stay with me. Here I'm machining a 1mm thick brass plate. Here I'm making the truss rod and the electronics cover. First I'm cutting the contour, and next I'm making the engraving. In order to set a 3mm cubic zirconia, I'm drilling a hole. Here you can see it. The rest of the cover is going to be 3D printed. To insert and glue the brass plate, I'm using epoxy. To achieve a brushed finish, I'm using this reddish Scotch-Brite pad. Here you can see the finished product. The next step is to install the Gotoh locking tuners. I'm going to shield the pickup pockets and the electronics cavity with this copper foil. Shielding the cover also. Now it's time to wind the humbuckers. The bridge one has an Alnico 5 magnet and 12.5 k ohms, and the neck one has an Alnico 2 and 7.7 k ohms. I'm going to pot wax both, with a blend of paraffin and beeswax. To make the custom covers, I'm using this matching fretboard wood. It's 1.5mm thick, and it's Variolepa Duke. I'm machining the contour and the humbucker screw pulse holes. They are going to receive 2 coats of Rubio Monocoat. Now I can finish assembly the humbuckers. I'm securing the wood with a little bit of cyanoacrylate. Finished humbuckers. I'm going to mount the humbuckers directly to the body. So, to access the threaded inserts, I'm drilling some holes. A little bit of cyanoacrylate, and here is the insert. I'm using a screw to insert it. And now a little bit of accelerator, and that's it. Here I'm trying if it works. Those are the inserts for the tailpiece studs. And here is the tailpiece. It's a Gotoh aluminum one. In order to find the correct bridge position, I'm inserting the first and sixth string. Once I find the correct placement, I can drill for the inserts. This hole I'm drilling is for the ground wire. Once the wire is in its place, I can install the inserts. This is a Tunomatic Tom Pros bridge. The next thing I want to do is to install the bridge humbucker. And next, in order to make the nut and cut the saddle notches, I'm installing all the strings. The strings are in the correct position, so I'm using this plastic mallet to leave an indentation on the saddle. This indentation is enough to register the file position. And next, I'm going to finish the nut. Once the nut is finished, I'm gluing it with cyanoacrylate glue. Once I've adjusted the truss rod, I'm installing the cover. Is this one I made from brass. We are near to the finish. Here I'm wiring a Schaller P Mega Switch 5-way switch. It allows a Paul Reed Smith-ish pickups configuration. It has also CTS volume and tone pots. This one is the jack plate. Securing the electronic covers with 4 screws. Schaller strap locks. Pot knobs. and the lever switch leader thingy. This video is going to end here. I'm going to leave you with a few photos. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. See you soon in the sound check video.